everybody. Welcome to lockdown classes. Today I am going to give you some simple GK questions. Let's start. My first question is, who was the first woman Prime Minister of India? Who was the first woman Prime Minister of India? Answer is Indira Gandhi. Answer is Indira Gandhi. My second question is, who was the first woman Chief Minister of India? Who was the first woman Chief Minister of India? Answer is Kriplani. Suchita Kriplani. Suchita Kriplani. My third question is, which is the largest state in India? Which is the largest state in India? My answer is Rajasthan. Rajasthan. My fourth question is, which is the smallest state in India? Which is the smallest state in India? My answer is Goa. My fifth question is, who is the first citizen of India? Who is the first citizen of India? Answer is President. President. My sixth question is, who is the second citizen of India? Who is the second citizen of India? My answer is Vice President. Vice President. My who is the third citizen of India? Answer is Prime Minister. Prime Minister. My eighth question is, when the India people celebrate Independence Day? When India people celebrated Independence Day? Answer is 15th August. When we celebrate our India Republic Day? When we celebrate our India Republic Day? Answer is 26th January. 26th January. My 10th question is, what is the total number of characters in Hindi alphabet? What is the total number of characters in Hindi alphabet? Answer is 52. My 11th question is, who is composer of Indian national song? Who is the composer of Indian national song? Answer is Bankim Chandra Chatterjee. Answer is Bankim Chandra Chatterjee. My 12th question is, how many spokes in national flag of India? How many spokes in national flag of India? Answer is 24 spokes. My 13th question is, what is the national song of India? What is the national song of India? Answer, Vande Mataram. My 14th question is, what is the national flower of India? What is the national flower of India? Answer is lotus. Answer is lotus. My 15th question is, who is the first female Chief Justice of India? Who is the female first Chief Justice of India? Answer is Fatmi Bibi. Supreme Court of India. Fatmi Vivi Supreme Court of India. My 16th question is, how many months in every single year? How many months in every single year? Answer is 12 months. My 17th question is, how many days in every single week? How many days in every single week? Answer is 70. My 18th question is, how many India states have the Hindi language? How many India states have the Hindi language? 10 states have the Hindi language in India. My 19th question is, which language is used most of Maharashtra? Which language is used most in Maharashtra? Answer is Marathi. Marathi. Marathi language is used in most of the Maharashtra. Which of the following is Hindi script? Answer is Devanagari. Devanagari. My 21st question is, what is the name of the longest river on the river? What is the name of the longest river on the river? Answer is the Nile. My 22nd question is, what is the name of the fastest animal on the land? What is the name of the fastest animal on the land? Answer is cheetah. Cheetah. My 23rd question is, what is the main source of energy on earth? What is the main source of energy of earth? Answer is sun. My 24th question is, which continent has not a single volcano? Which continent has not a single volcano? Answer is Australia. In Australia, there have no one single volcano. My 25th question is, what is the smallest ocean in world? What is the smallest ocean in the world? Answer is Arctic Ocean. Ocean. Who is the highest mountain in India? Answer is Kanchenjunga. Kanchenjunga is the highest mountain in India. My 27th question is, which is the largest lake in India? Which is the largest lake in India? Valua Lake. My answer is Valua Lake. My 28th question is, who built the Red Fort in India? Who built the Red Fort of India? My answer is Shah Jahan. Shah Jahan. My 29th question is, USA, what is the currency of it? USA, what is the currency of it? Answer is dollar. My 30th question is, when we celebrate in India Navy Day? When we celebrate in India Navy Day? Answer is 4 December. Answer is 4 December. My 31st question is, when we celebrate the India Post Day? When will we celebrate India Post Day? My answer is 9 October. 9 October we will celebrate India Post Day. My 32nd question is, who composed the India National Anthem? Who composed the India National Anthem? My answer is Rabindranath Tagore. Rabindranath Tagore. Rabindranath Tagore. Officer in India. Who was the first female IPS officer in India? My answer is Kiran Bedi. Kiran Bedi. My 34th question is, which type of lens is used in the camera? Which type of the lens is used in the camera? My answer is convex lens. Convex lens is used in the camera. My 35th question is, what is Canada national sport? What is in Canada national sport? Answer is ice hockey. Ice hockey is the national sport of Canada. My 36th question is, Hindi Day is celebrated on. Hindi Day is celebrated on. My answer is 14th September. So this is a simple GK questions I have discussed. So thank you and have a nice day.